Welcome to Kemble's tutorial. Today we'll be solving this physics question. We should find the tension in knitting and the acceleration in meter per second square. Okay, so this tension is dragging this body of mass 25 kilogram, and the body is moving toward the direction. Okay, and there's a pulley here that will transmit this tension to the other side, and this tension is also acting on this 60 kilogram mass that is also moving downward. Okay, according to this arrow, moving downward with acceleration A. So this acceleration and this acceleration are the same. Okay, we have to find the tension. The tension here and the tension here are also the same. So we are going to find the tension. Okay, now this force that is dragging this is F. Okay, so this F is equals to MA, which is the formula for force. So, and this force F here is T. So our T is equals to MA. And mass here is 25. So our tension is equals to 25A. 25A. Okay. Now, this 60 kilogram weight is converted to knitting. It becomes 600 knitting. That is that is weight is equals to mg. So the 60 multiply g, which is acceleration due to gravity. This will give us 600. And this 600 is acting downward because the body is moving downward, but the tension is acting upward. So the total force here, will be equals to the weight W, because it's going downward, minus the tension T. Okay, because the tension is acting downward. Okay, minus the tension T. Right? So this our weight now. This our F, which is the mass times acceleration, is equals to the weight minus the tension. So mass here is 60 times A, which is 60A, is equals to the weight, which is 600, then minus the tension, which is 25A. This tension here, 25A. So when we collect like terms, it will come over, this 25 will come over, we'll now have 60 plus 25, 60A plus 25A is equals to 600. So this will give us 85A is equals to 600. So my A, which acceleration, becomes 600 divided by 85. So my acceleration will now be equals to 600 divided by 85. So we have 7.1, approximately 7.1 meter per second square. Now my tension now will now become 25 times 7.1, and this will be approximately 176.5 knitting. 176.5 knitting. Thank you for watching.